Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial that will show you how to resize a picture in Squarespace. So just before I get into it, very quickly, there's a link in the description for this video that will take you to a free trial version of Squarespace. So if you want to give this all a go and see for yourself how easy it is to use, just give that link a click just down below. And it's very, very simple to resize a picture. And once you've got a picture uploaded to your site, as you can see, I have one here, give it a single left click, and then you can see that I've got these resize squares at the border of the image. They've just appeared. So if you click and drag any of them, you can see that the picture will now eventually, when it gets to that little inside border, resize like that. So as long as you sort of hold the left click of the mouse down and keep dragging it to the left or the right, that will allow you to resize the picture then. Once you leave it go, it'll stick to that size and you can reposition it on the web page anywhere like that then. And maybe, use that then to increase or decrease the size as well. If you go for the diagonal option like that as well, that'll work just the same. And just going diagonally up and down to the right then. Okay. And it is as simple as that, and that concludes our video tutorial. So just before I go, like I mentioned at the start of the video, there's a free trial version of Squarespace available for you as a link in the description. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave that as a comment down below. Thank you very much.